Welcome back. In this video, we shall look at how we can automate the serial numbers. In one of the previous videos, I was able to explain how you can generate it. It's not showing here. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, I need to start with a figure. So it was blank, that's why it's not showing. I need to start with a figure. That will be the starting point, just like the first time in a sequence. So that I will go to editing, fill, I will click on the series, the step value, the columns. The step value is 1 and I want to stop at 1000. So I'll press OK. So in this case, you can see that we have the numbers going down. You can see we have it up to, by pressing Ctrl down, it will tell me where it stopped, which is 1000. If I want it more than that, I can also do the same. So let me press Ctrl up to go to the beginning. Now, what if there is space? You can notice there is a space in row 6. There is a space in row 13. There is a space in row 14, and so on and so forth. And I want a situation whereby my serial numbers, the numbering will be automated. And that's because if you look here now, we have the column A and the column B. So if I should delete this content in this column A now, if you look at the numbering in this column B, if I should delete anything, let me delete the contents in row 19. Let me go to the cell and press delete. You will observe that the numbering got back automatically. So from 13 to 14 and so on and so forth. So if I still delete more also, I will be able to have the